Welcome student. Uh, in last class we have discussed some ideas about aromatic compound, definition of aromatic compound, which compound are belong to aromatic category that we have identified as per rule. Okay, now and in next we have discussed the structure of benzene, how benzene molecule form. Hmm? Just I will draw first benzene. Okay, and these are the pi bond, or it is also equal to, we can write in different way also, like this. Both are same similar structure, and many times we can write like this. Here this circle represent delocalized delocalized pi electron cloud. It is not stationary. These pi bond electron are continuously in motion, like this. If we shift here, we get this structure, and again there is migration of this pi bond, and continuous there is this pi bond are in motion continuously. Okay, and that's why instead of writing this, we can write like this also. Okay, this is the structure of benzene. Now, as we know, benzene contains 6 carbon atom. Benzene contains 6 carbon atom, and each carbon atom having attachment of one hydrogen atom. Okay, like this. And all these hydrogen atom are identical, C6H6. All these carbon atom are identical, therefore these hydrogen are also identical. Okay, so this is called unsubstituted benzene. There is only hydrogen. Okay, now if we replace one hydrogen atom by any another atom or group of atom, any atom or group of atom, for example G, where G is the any atom or functional, any group of atom that is functional. It may be chlorine, bromine, iodine, it may be nitro group, aldehyde group, keto group, acyl group, anything, any functional group, then we get this type of compound. Now what we have to do? We have to replace one of the hydrogen atom from benzene ring. See, all the hydrogen atom present in this benzene ring are identical, so we can replace any one of the atom from 6. Okay, so let us replace this, any one. Just you will get this. G will occupy this position. If you rotate, you will get same structure. Okay, so these are all the 6 position in plain benzene ring is identical, therefore we can attach G at any position. Okay, so this resulting compound is called, this new compound is obtained from benzene by replacing one hydrogen atom by any atom or group of atom, that is called monosubstituted benzene. Monosubstituted benzene. This is monosubstituted benzene. Okay, so this compound is obtained from benzene, therefore it is called derivative of benzene, because this new compound is obtained from benzene by replacing one hydrogen atom by another atom or group of atom, that is called derivative of benzene. And here we have replaced only one hydrogen atom. The resulting compound is called monosubstituted benzene. Okay, now I will write the many example of monosubstituted compound, or that is called derivative of benzene. Very simple example. If we replace hydrogen by chlorine, suppose this is benzene having 6 identical hydrogen atom. Okay, plain benzene, that is plain benzene. Now if I am going to replace one hydrogen atom by chlorine, then what we get? Side by side I will write their common name also, common name or IUPAC name, you will get this. Okay, here hydrogen are present, that I have not written chlorine. This is called chlorobenzene. phenyl chloride or chlorobenzene. If we add bromine, then you will get bromine here, that is called bromobenzene. If we use iodine, then you will get this. We can add attach this adding anywhere. Okay, this is iodobenzene. Remember this iodobenzene. These are IUPAC name. Okay, IUPAC name. Actually, after removing one hydrogen atom from benzene, the group obtained is called phenyl group. Phenyl group. What is phenyl group? Phenyl group is obtained by removing one hydrogen atom from benzene. Okay, then whatever part is remaining without one hydrogen, one bond free, like this. If you remove hydrogen, then you will get this structure. Here one bond free, remaining are hydrogen present. At remaining position, hydrogen are as it is, only one position free, one valency of carbon atom free. That is called phenyl group. This is called phenyl group. And similarly, aromatic compound. This is aromatic compound. One of the example of aromatic compound. If we take any aromatic compound, that aromatic hydrocarbon are known as arenes. Arenes. A-R-E-N-E, arenes. And if we replace hydrogen atom from arenes, then you will get aryl group. Aryl group. These are the example: chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, iodobenzene. Okay. So all are monosubstituted benzene. Similarly, many examples are there. For I will write here. Take benzene and attach one NO2. This is called nitrobenzene. Nitro group is attached to the benzene ring. So nitrobenzene. Methyl benzene or toluene. Okay. Then isopropyl group attached to benzene, that is called isopropyl benzene. Okay. Now similarly, if aldehyde group, hydrogen atom replaced by aldehyde group, then CHO, that is called benzaldehyde. Its name is benzaldehyde. Okay, like this. If we replace hydrogen by carboxyl group, then benzoic acid. Okay, acyl group, its name is acetophenone. Acetophenone. All are given in your textbook. Go through this textbook. Benzophenone. These are the example of monosubstituted benzene. How they are obtained? They are obtained by replacing one hydrogen atom from benzene ring by any atom or group of atom like chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, iodobenzene, nitrobenzene, methylbenzene or toluene, isopropyl benzene, benzaldehyde, benzoic acid, acetophenone and benzophenone. These are the some example of monosubstituted benzene. Okay. Now see, here I will write benzene. Benzene contains 6 hydrogen atoms. Okay, all are identical. No need to write actually, they are always there. If I replace one hydrogen atom by any group or atom, that will give us mono substituted benzene. That is called mono substituted benzene. Okay. Now see, in this mono substituted benzene, what happen? How many hydrogen remaining? In case of benzene, there are 6 hydrogen atom. Benzene contain 6 hydrogen atom and all are identical. All are identical. But after removing one hydrogen atom by any group G, then we get mono substituted benzene. But now how many hydrogen remaining? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, in this case, the carbon atom having attachment with G is always given number 1. Then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, these are the 6 position. The carbon bearing, in case of monosubstituted benzene, the carbon having attachment with this group G, that carbon is given position 1, and next to this here are their hydrogen, carbon number 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now in case of monosubstituted benzene, there are now 5 hydrogen atom remaining. Okay, out of these 5, the carbon number 2 and carbon number 6 hydrogen, the hydrogen attached at carbon number 2 and carbon number 6 are identical with each other, and these 2 hydrogen means which hydrogen? Carbon 2 hydrogen and carbon 6 hydrogen are called ortho hydrogen, ortho position. Actually, carbon number 2 and carbon number 6 is called ortho position and their hydrogen are called ortho hydrogen. Okay, see, I will draw bigger structure. This is monosubstituted benzene G. Here carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3 hydrogen are attached, 5 hydrogen. Carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now with respect to G, carbon number 2 and carbon number 6 are identical. Carbon number 2 and carbon number 6 are identical. In case of plain benzene, all carbon atom are identical. But now in case of monosubstituted benzene, these 5 hydrogen atom are no more identical with each other. Out of this 5 hydrogen, 2 out of this 5 carbon, 2 carbon are of one type, next to this carbon are of another type, and third is different. Okay. Now in case of monosubstituted benzene, there are 3 types of hydrogen, 3 types of carbon and 3 types of hydrogen. Okay. See, carbon number 2, this carbon is called ortho carbon. This is also ortho carbon. So in case of monosubstituted benzene, carbon number 2, carbon number 6 are called ortho carbon. Then next to this, carbon number 3, carbon number 5 are called meta, and carbon number 4 is called para carbon. Okay, these are the 3 types of carbon. Carbon number 2, carbon number 6 are called ortho, carbon number 3, carbon number 5 are called meta, and carbon number 4 is called para. These are the position. These 2 are ortho position, these 2 are meta position, and this is para position. So their hydrogen, the hydrogen attached to carbon number 2 is called ortho hydrogen. Carbon number 6, hydrogen atom attached to carbon number 6 is called ortho carbon hydrogen. Hydrogen attached to carbon number 3 and attached to carbon number 5 are called meta hydrogen, and this is para hydrogen. Para carbon, para hydrogen. Meta carbon, meta hydrogen. Ortho carbon, ortho hydrogen. Okay. Now in case of monosubstituted benzene, there are 3 types of hydrogen atom. Come to monosubstituted benzene. This is monosubstituted benzene. This monosubstituted benzene having 3 types of hydrogen, 2 ortho, 2 meta, and 1 para. ortho, ortho, meta, meta and para. Okay, now if I am going to replacing one hydrogen atom by any group Z, then what happens? Because now this monosubstituted benzene having three set of hydrogen, two hydrogen are ortho, then two hydrogen are meta and one is para. So I want to replace one of the hydrogen atom by Z, then I have three choices. I can replace hydrogen atom from ortho position or meta position or para position. Okay, so then we get disubstituted benzene, disubstituted derivative. So suppose I am going to replacing hydrogen atom from ortho position. There are two ortho position and both the ortho position are identical, so I can replace one of them either from left side or right side. Okay, like this. Z may be here or here. One and same thing. This structure, this is identical. This is called disubstituted benzene. Disubstituted benzene. Ortho disubstituted. They are ortho. Z is ortho with respect to G. Z is at ortho position with respect to G. Therefore, it is ortho product. Ortho disubstituted benzene. Okay. Then, if I am going to replace hydrogen by Z from meta position, then the product obtained, then a disubstituted compound obtained is like this, G and here Z, or here this is called meta disubstituted benzene. Disubstituted benzene. And now last, para disubstituted benzene. Only one position para. So para disubstituted benzene. This is so disubstituted benzene having three different isomers. Okay. In case of monosubstituted benzene, it has only one structure. This is the only. We can write G here, 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 anywhere among the six positions. All are identical. But when we are going to obtain a disubstituted benzene, then we have three choices. Either we can attach this new group Z at ortho position, one of the ortho position, or one of the meta position or para position. So we are having three different isomers. If Z is attached at ortho position with respect to G, 1,2 position, that is called 1,2 position, 1,2, then it is called ortho disubstituted product or ortho disubstituted benzene. And if that Z is attached at meta with respect to G, then that is called meta disubstituted product. And if Z is at para position with respect to opposite position, okay, then that is called para disubstituted benzene. So these are the three different isomers obtained are possible in case of disubstituted benzene. Okay. Now some example. Suppose chlorobenzene. Consider chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene is a monosubstituted benzene. If I am going to replace one hydrogen atom by another chlorine atom, then how many types of compound obtained, different variety obtained, that we will see. One is this. If we attach chlorine, next chlorine to at ortho position, either here or here, same thing, then this is called O dichlorobenzene. O dichlorobenzene. O stand for ortho. Or meta. If attach chlorine at meta position, then M dichlorobenzene. Or if attach chlorine at para position, then para, then P dichlorobenzene. Okay, so these are common name. In case of IUP system, we have to give numbering 1 2 1 2 dichlorobenzene. Here 1 2 3. So 1 3 dichlorobenzene. And similarly, it is 1 2 3 4. 1 4 dichlorobenzene. Okay, so these are the disubstituted compound of benzene. 1 2 dichlorobenzene, 1 3 dichlorobenzene, 1 4 dichlorobenzene. Okay. Next example, if I am going to replace H by bromine, different group, then what? If incoming bromine, if attach at beta position, then what we have to do? 1 2 bromo chlorobenzene, or 2 chloro bromobenzene, one and same thing. Okay, if we give number 1 to this chlorine, then 2 bromochlorobenzene. If we give 2, then 2 chlorobenzene, 2 chlorobromobenzene. Okay, like this and so on. Just give numbering, then give accordingly, write their name. Okay. Now, for example, nitrobenzene. Suppose chlorine, it is disubstituted benzene, because two substituent attached at benzene ring, so it is disubstituted benzene. Now then give numbering 1 2 3 4. So P chloro, because chlorine is present at para position, so that's why P chloro nitrobenzene. Or if if preference is given to nitro group, then nitrobenzene. If preference is given to chlorine, then P nitrochlorobenzene. Both are same. Okay, this is common name. If we use symbol ortho, para, meta, then that is common name. But if we use numbering, then that is IUPAC name. So 4 chloro nitrobenzene, like this. Okay, that is IUPAC name. Okay. Dinitrobenzene. O, because nitro group at ortho position, O dinitrobenzene. Or 1 2 dinitrobenzene. So these are the example. Similarly, what is the name for this compound? 1 2 O hydroxy benzaldehyde. This is benzaldehyde. Actually, this is benzaldehyde, and we have added OH group at ortho position. So 2 or O hydroxy. O hydroxy benzaldehyde. Okay, or P hydroxy benzaldehyde, M hydroxy benzaldehyde, and its name is, I think it is salicylaldehyde. It is actually salicylaldehyde. Okay, so these are some example of disubstituted benzene. Disubstituted. For again, one more example, benzoic acid. This is benzoic acid. If I I replace one hydrogen by OH group, hydroxyl group, then we have three choices. Either we can attach OH group at ortho position, para position or meta position. Okay, its name is O-hydroxybenzoic acid or salicylic acid. Its common name is salicylic acid, and O2-hydroxybenzoic acid. Okay, so these are some example of disubstituted benzene. Similarly, we are having trisubstituted benzene. Tri means three. If we replace three hydrogen atom from benzene ring by same atom or group or different atom or group, that is called trisubstituted benzene. For example, trichlorobenzene. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3 trichlorobenzene. Okay. Similarly, tetra-substituted benzene, penta-substituted benzene, and hexa-substituted benzene also. Hexa-substituted, for example, replace all the 6 hydrogen by any atom or group of atom. For example, BHC, benzene hexachloride. Its name is benzene hexachloride, BHC, insecticide. Okay, so these are the example of and nomenclature of benzene and their derivative. Thank you very much.